Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, welcome back for your English class. So, please take out your English book, that is Hands on English. So, what we are doing in English, we are doing nouns. So, what are nouns? When we are talking about a person, place, animal, or thing, we are talking about noun. Okay, so we have a two types of a noun, proper noun or common noun. So, we identify our person noun as a common noun or a proper noun. If we are talking about Mahatma Gandhi, then we are talking about proper noun because we're taking a name Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. But when we are talking about any person, means like boy, okay, or we are taking a name brother or a father, then we are talking about the common noun. Then we classify our animal noun also in the proper noun and a common noun. If I'm taking a name Tom, or we are taking a name Tom and Jerry, we are talking about a cartoon character, but these are the names of animal. For if the common noun are cat and rat, cat or mouse. Okay, then we have a proper and common noun for thing also. If we are talking about a book means common noun, but we are talking about hands on English, we are talking about proper noun. Okay, then place. If we are talking about any city, so it can be any city, but if we are talking about Delhi, okay, if we are talking about Mumbai, if we are talking about Ambala, we are talking about particular name, that is a proper noun. Getting this point? So in how we are going to identify our proper noun? We are going to identify our proper noun with the capital letter. Our proper noun always start with the capital letter. Okay, proper noun always starts with the capital letter. Your name, your father's name, your mother's name, your brother's name, sister name, grandfather's name, mother's name, grandmother's name. Okay, anybody's name will start with capital letter. Name of your city, name of your country, name of your state will start with the capital letter. Okay, so proper noun always starts with the capital letter. Getting this point? Okay, so what we are going to do today, we are going to do page number 29. So in last class we have discussed about the cities, countries, newspaper names, then soaps names, then television brand name. Okay, then we talked about the Yuri Gagarin, or we have or Thomas Edison. Yes, so you did your notebook exercise. Five river names. So Ganga, Yamuna, then Gomti, Narmada, Byas. These are the names of river. Then names of state: Haryana, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. All these are states. Then cities: Delhi, Kolkata, Pune, okay, your Mumbai. All these are cities. So today we are going to do page number 29. On page number 29, fill each blank with a common noun from the box to complete this sentence. So one sentence can be there can be two nouns, and they can be a two proper noun, two common noun, or proper or common noun. Both can be there. Okay, see here. On module number In module number 6, Diwali is the name of dash. Diwali is the name of festival. So D Diwali capital, this is proper noun and is the name of a festival. So when we are talking about the name of a particular festival, we are talking about the proper noun. Okay, for example, Christmas, Eid, okay, Holi. All these are the names of festival, but when taking a particular name, we are talking about the proper noun. Mumbai is the name of a city. June is the name of a month. So name of month, name of days, name of months always starts with a capital letter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All these will start with capital letter. Name of months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so in your notebook, what you're going to write? Names of months. Then, the Bible is the name of a holy book. So, Quran is the name of a holy book. Guru Granth Sahib is also the name of a holy book. Bible is also a name of a holy book. Gita is a name of a holy book. Ramayana is a name of a holy book. So, all these are the names of holy book. Okay, so when we're talking about particular name of a holy book, it means we're talking about the proper noun. Then Humpty Dumpty is the name of a rhyme. Okay, we are talking about particular name of a rhyme. So Humpty Dumpty is the name of a rhyme. Next, module 7, everyone. Again, we are going to complete the sentence with the help of common noun. Raman is the name of a boy. So Raman is the name of a boy. We are taking a particular name of a boy. Then Priya is the name of a girl. Very good. Thursday is the name of a day. Very good. Asia is the name of a continent. Okay. So continent. Then India is the name of a country. Getting this point? So when we are talking about the name of a days, when we are talking about names of months, they always start with a capital letter. Name of holy books, okay, name of cities, name of festivals, name of continent, name of country, name of a boy, girl. When we are talking about the particular name, then we are talking about proper noun and they will start with the capital letter. Getting this point? So in your notebook, what you're going to write? You're going to write name of months. Okay, you're going to write the name of months, days names. Okay, you're going to write these two things in your notebook. You're going to write the names of month. Okay, means January, February, March till December, and then the name of days means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So these are two notebook exercises you are going to do. Name of months and name of days. Name of months and name of days. So do now please take out your diaries, everyone. So in diaries, you're going to write today's date, and in English column, you're going to write do page number 29 and notebook exercise and do notebook exercise. Do complete your work. In next class, we're going to learn more about nouns. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.